It's time to get up, it's time to get up, it's time to get up in the morning. It's time to get up, it's time to get up, it's time to get up for the day. It's a day, it's a day, it's a glorious day. What is it? Come on, it's 11 o'clock. What are you doing in bed?
Tell him. That's the tune I used to have to wake up to every school morning.
Close the curtain, please, Jess.
Oh, Russell's on holiday, shame. Let's close the curtains. Good morning! Super breakfast. Bye, Josie! I'm at Melissa's house, picking her up, and we're going to fetch Eva from school, and then I'm taking her to fetch her car because I went in for a service. I'm gonna go fetch Melissa. You stay here. Hello. Yes. Hey, what you up to? Oh, hello Bella. Hello Bella boo. Have you got a Christmas tree? Hey Melissa.
Show Auntie Jess.
Show me.
Show Auntie Jess.
Oh wow! Jingle bells, jingle. Oh, the hello Bella.
So did you go to school for sewing? What did you do sewing?
Oh no, my mom. Are you singing Christmas carols? You're so cute, Bella.
Thank you so much.
Okay, pleasure. Will you be fine now?
Yes.
Okay.
Actually,
do you need anything else?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Bye. You had a happy day at school, Eva?
Thanks.
Great. Hey Julesy, what are you up to? For Ellie. Gustin framed his art and he's busy working on cushion covers. This is very cool. I like this, Gustin. This is a fish. You must make French one like this, please. Can you make me one? Oh yeah, let me show them what other cushion. Augustin is on holiday and he's been making cushions as presents, as gifts, Christmas gifts. He made this one for himself. It's a samurai. Very nice.
Gift tags.
Gift tags?
My gifts.
That's cool. Mom's making pillows. My mom is baking bread.
St. Nicholas feast day.
Okay.
This is mixed fruit.
Mixed fruit.
Bread.
Cake bread. Oh, wee. 40 minutes later. Look at that. Bam. We're on our way to evening mass. How old do you think this tree is, Dad?
Quite old.
Quite old.
Probably
153.
about 65, 60.
No way.
So just younger than you. Hello! It's delicious. The homemade apricot jam. Let's go pick some flowers, guys. Out of all the flowers in my garden, I didn't think the cornflowers would bring me so much joy. Look at this, Emma.
Hey.
Look at my flowers. I'm making you one as well, eh?
What?
Sarah, Melissa.
Oh my word. Sorry, this is food. It doesn't go in there. No, sorry, you're not doing that.
Flower arrangements. Catherine, my cousin, has just arrived and she's brought two. One died. But 2 little birds. I have no idea what these
They're
are.
like the size of my thumb.
Yeah.
So wait, maybe that's more.
And you say
Ooh,
they can
stretch.
fly.
Yeah, a
I
little
wonder
bit.
what they are. They look like a little finch, you know?
You should ask someone if ask someone on the blog.
If anyone knows what they
Yeah,
are.
if anybody knows what they are
They're
and
tiny.
what they eat.